Hey guys, got a 2023 plate SKODA Kodiaq here. Just going to show you how to reset the tyre pressure warning light on this one. So on this one, we're going to go to the screen in the centre of the dash. And from here, I'm going to press car button on the right hand side. Then go to settings. Then tyres. Now first make sure all your tyres are pumped up to the correct pressures. Then once you've done that, I'm going to press set. Do all 4 tyres pressures match the required values. So once you pumped it up, press confirm. And then it comes up tyre pressure saved. And that's it.